The Nike Air Max 95 continues its strong momentum heading into 2026, blending classic appeal with fresh seasonal updates. Alongside the return of iconic colorways, Nike is introducing a women's exclusive Air Max 95 in University Gold that is clearly designed with summer in mind. The bold yellow tone leads the way, appearing on the tongue, sock liner, and eyelets, while glossy leather panels on the toe, spine, and upper overlays add a subtle textured finish that stands out up close. One of the most eye-catching details is the layered mesh netting, which features a vibrant gradient of sherbet-inspired colors for added energy. The side panels transition smoothly from soft yellow to coconut milk, creating a clean and balanced look. A coconut milk midsole and pink foam outsole complete the design. While an official release date has not been announced, this pair is expected to arrive soon.